Hello, friends. Welcome to Talent Hub Training Institute FinSolve segment. How are you? Hope all of you are safe and at your home. We know that in this present scenario, many of you want to start your own business, but then you find lots of legal challenges and lots of option is also there. So taking decision is a bit tough. I know. Here we are trying to solve this problem by simple understanding of business-oriented legal compliance. For this, we introduce a video session with different videos. And overall above, from here you can take a certification by completing this session just via online exam. Every video description will provide the link, but we request to all of our viewers first go through all the 8 video sessions, then avail the test for better result, because we will only provide the certification for those who will secure the 60% of marks. So let's start our session.
Today, let us talk about the role of business professionals in your success. Startups often stretch themselves by reinventing the wheel and they end up overloading themselves with stuff which isn't necessarily their forte. This is where outsourcing comes into play. And this is true even when you're looking to hire consultants to leverage their expertise. Back office outsourcing is primarily about getting the crucial stuff done. In most cases, tasks that are in a non-client facing role. Shared resources help in maximizing efficiency. Let's have a look and understand why. Outsourcing back office work is a great idea for small businesses. Major back office operations outsourced deal with back office operations for the following jobs. It could be HR and payroll outsourcing, accounting and bookkeeping services, IT support outsourcing, taxation, compliance and other business professional services, data extraction, enrichment and research, or it could be document imaging. And when you choose to leverage on these, you can rest assured that your startup will benefit in various manners. Primarily, it is about staying efficient and delivering on tasks which require your focus. You could certainly opt for doing it all on your own and handle everything in-house, but this may be daunting to start with. And besides, there are lots of other tasks that deserve your full time and attention and which you are equipped to handle. Hiring business professionals saves your time and resources, helping you stay focused and stay fully committed to your core business services. Information security and cost optimization, saving on recurring additional costs on multiple resources that you would otherwise need to deploy for managing and maintaining various operations. This again is one of the core advantages of outsourcing services. Also, technology can play a pivotal role in preserving confidentiality and transparency when it comes to sensitive business information. And since business professionals function at a large scale, they help to bring down costs while also offering specialized services. This becomes possible for them as they effectively utilize shared resources. They do hiring on a larger scale and best utilize the shared know-how. Flexibility. Nothing offers more flexibility than outsourcing your non-client facing operations. The main advantage here is that your job will get done by seasoned professionals by putting the best practices and technology to use. You will not need to buy the latest software or upgrade your hardware, and this leaves you free from all the other technical worries. There will be a team of seasoned experts that offers utmost professionalism at a relatively lesser cost, and this frees you up completely from the burden of extra commitments. Hence, maintaining your internal operations and saving investments and time to utilize it for something that you are good at, your core service offerings. Offshore leverage. Availing business professional services may have you going beyond your geographical limits to get the best skilled team on board. Offshoring also helps you interact with people who have more than enough experience and the professional skills to execute the task concerned. Besides helping out your business with a team of experts, it also saves your expenses by giving you resources at a lesser cost. The legalities involved. Of course, there are advantages to outsourcing as we have seen already. But when you outsource your key business operations to a third party on a contractual basis, you must also consider the legalities involved. There are certain contracts and clauses which you may like to consider when you look at outsourcing your business. One is the non-disclosure agreement. This is an agreement that guarantees that the outsourced agency will not disclose shared confidential information which will be shared with them as a necessary part of doing business together. Primarily a confidentiality agreement wherein a third party has to abide by the norms and clauses laid down by you in the agreement. Any breach will cause legal intervention. SLA agreement. A service level agreement binds the service provider to commit to the level of expected service from the service provider's end. SLA clearly outlines the expected output, scope of work and delivery of results. SLA are output based in that their purpose is specifically to define what the customer will receive. IP protection. Outsourcing technical process should also cover clause regarding the IP ownership. If the rendered service from outsourced party results in any IP, then its rights and ownership should be clearly stated before rendering such services. Non-compete agreement. Though it is a matter of integrity, having such an agreement leaves you stress-free as it restricts the company from working with other organizations who are your competitors. This ensures that your implemented strategies and operations stay unique and secretive from your competitors. Non-poaching of employees. There must be a stated level of communication between the team individuals assigned to work with the third party and also the scope of commitment, including the prohibition to hire your resources for a certain time period post the contract conclusion or termination. Private data disclosure. There must be an agreement on modus operandi when it comes to terms of usage of private data and liability of the third party involved in it. To conclude, for small businesses to grow, it is important for the organization to cut their operational expenses. While it is true that new businesses are generally reluctant in outsourcing their back office work due to mismatch in operational administrations, but we must recognize that for small businesses to grow, it is very important for them to cut down on their operational expenses. Outsourcing back office work works best when the work is characterized before progress from an in-house condition. So whether you are simply beginning or you've been in the business sufficiently long enough to create the development you are chasing, it is never a wrong time to consider outsourcing your back office work. You can find numerous organizations globally that provide outsourcing services. However, it is always recommended to do a thorough due diligence before hiring outsourced office work.